Hey, Bryan here with the HVAC School Podcast and HVACrschool.com. I'm actually here at home today, and we are installing a ductless head at my house. So Ricardo is up there making the penetration to the wall. This is my Mitsubishi MXZ. You'll notice here in Florida we get quite a bit of mildew. I know I'm gonna get comments about that, but I wanna show you here at the MXZ 4C36NA, which is a 3-ton, but I only installed a vertical air handler and then one for my bedroom, and so we have a couple more openings to add in additional units. And I did that because I wasn't sure if I was going to need more air up in my attic playroom area or not. And so now we've realized that we do need it, and we're gonna go ahead and add it. But that's one of the advantages of these systems, is that you can easily do that later on. Kyle's getting the line set ready. So this is the kids' playroom. You can see we had this foamed out. There's actually, I'm gonna shut off this fan here. This was the air conditioning that we used before. It's heavy on the V part, not so much on the H and the AC part. The story behind this room is that when we designed this house, we weren't intending on doing an occupied attic. But then they made the truss drawings and we realized that we had this big open area and thought it would be kind of silly not to use it. And so then we used the foam insulation all the way around. Makes a nice little playroom for the kids. So those of you who know me know that I certainly have plenty of kids. So this worked out nicely. There's the penetration. So we're gonna mount the air handler right here. This is the Mitsubishi ductless air handler that we're mounting. You can see almost everything that we've done up here is pretty much just an afterthought, just like even the lighting. We just strung some like Christmas lights, festoon hanging lights up here. Pretty simple. I know some of you are going to rip this ductwork. It probably could have been done a little better, but you know what they say, the plumber's house is the one with the most water leaks. We're gonna be mounting a dehumidifier over here, an ultra air. We're gonna be doing that in a couple weeks, which is gonna add some additional dehumidification for the whole house. And then, like I mentioned, we're gonna have the ductless system. If you're ever gonna install one of these systems, I would suggest the multi-zones. You can go on the larger side on the condenser, and you don't need to fully load. I mean, again, look at the specs for the equipment, but you don't need to fully load up the equipment with the total capacity in case later on you want to do something like we're doing here. Gives you the ability to add in some additional options. So that's it. I'll also do a video once it's all done showing you how it looks.